Doodle Dreams AI is one of the most exciting new tools that just dropped, and in this review, I'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Trust me, this AI software is already making waves, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether it's worth your time. First, if you're new to Doodle Dreams AI, this software is designed to bring your creative visions to life in ways you've never seen before. Whether you're an artist, marketer, or content creator, it leverages powerful AI to turn your doodles, sketches, or even simple concepts into fully realized art or designs in seconds. But what exactly sets it apart from other AI software? Let's dive in. Now, the first thing you'll notice is how user-friendly it is. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it. The interface is intuitive and clean, and with just a few clicks, you can transform your hand-drawn sketches into digital masterpieces. Whether you're working on branding, social media content, or just exploring creative ideas, this software makes it accessible for everyone, even if you're just starting out with AI tools. Next up, the AI's versatility. Doodle Dreams AI isn't just limited to simple doodles. It can take abstract sketches, turn them into complex designs, and even add color, textures, and effects with minimal effort. It's not just a sketch-to-image tool. It allows you to build on the concept and customize it however you want, giving you total creative freedom. The AI adapts to your style as you work, meaning you'll see improvements over time, making it a powerful asset for any project. Another standout feature is the speed. Unlike other AI software that can take a while to generate your creations, Doodle Dreams AI works in real time or close to it. Within seconds, your doodles are transformed into polished digital art. If you're in a rush or working on a tight deadline, this feature is a huge time saver. But that's not all. Doodle Dreams AI also supports collaboration. You can share your designs with team members, get feedback, and even invite others to tweak and improve your work. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a larger team, this software has collaborative features built right into its system, making it perfect for team-based projects. What about the quality? This is where Doodle Dreams AI truly shines. The software uses cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to generate high-resolution, professional-grade designs. You won't find any pixelated or blurry images here. The AI works seamlessly with detailed artwork, ensuring that your final output is crisp and clear, regardless of how intricate your designs are. One thing to note is that the learning curve is almost non-existent, even if you're new to AI-powered creative tools. With tons of templates, guides, and even in-app tips, you'll be able to hit the ground running. Plus, the customer support team is highly responsive, ensuring you never feel stuck if you need assistance. And here's the best part. You can try Doodle Dreams AI completely free using the link in the description below. This gives you a chance to explore all its features, test out its capabilities, and see if it's the right fit for your projects, without any commitment. So if you've been considering diving into AI for your creative work, now's the perfect time to give it a shot. Now, before I wrap up, if you're looking for other top-rated AI tools, I've got a list of my recommended AI software in the description, many of which you can also try for free. After testing thousands of AI solutions, these are the ones I trust to bring the best results. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helped you decide whether Doodle Dreams AI